Hi everyone, introducing the Volta Loft. We've just finished filming the Volta Loft and the Volta Shield battery powered insulated jackets, haven't we, Rick?
We have.
Very impressed actually.
Probably too warm a day to actually be
It's
doing these.
no need really for
No
the
need for-
battery pack.
No.
I did have my battery pack on for a bit and my back was roasting, so I had to turn it off. But with mine there's no on and off switch, you can't control how hot it is, so it probably comes on full temp, doesn't it?
Your on and off switch is on the battery itself and on the power pack.
Yes.
So you switch the power pack on
Or
and
just
the
not-
power pack off.
Yeah, or just don't attach it.
Yeah. Whereas this Volta Shield comes with 3 heat settings and an on-off switch as well.
Yes.
So you can have it on, you can have it low, medium or high temperature.
Yeah,
Obviously.
which is handy, isn't it? Because you control obviously on what day, well, what you want basically. If it's if it gets colder throughout the day, you can turn it up, lower it, turn it off.
Yeah.
It's been very popular selling jacket, your one though, hasn't it?
It has, yes.
This one is new for this year.
Yeah. This one comes in a nice text fabric, so it's waterproof, it's breathable.
Yeah, 10,000 high static head.
Yeah.
Windproof. Thermoguard insulated.
Thermoguard insulated, so you know, on a mild day then you don't need the battery pack, but obviously, you know, middle of winter when it gets a bit colder, or you know, you're sitting around and you're not active at all, you want some more heat, you put your battery pack in, turn it on, and there you go, instant heat.
Yeah, so this one was made as just like a warm insulated option to yours, wasn't it?
Yep.
It'll sit lower in price point because it's got less features, but it is high in terms of got a higher synthetic insulation in it, isn't it? So Warm Loft is one of our premium synthetic insulations, so it will probably keep you warmer in that respect, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And it's got the battery power option as well.
It'll keep you warmer, apart from if there's wind. So if there's wind, the wind will go through that a little bit, whereas this jacket will stop the wind.
Yes, that's true. So like on a day like this, if it's colder, obviously this would be ideal, wouldn't it? Because there's no rain or anything. But if you're going out on the hills and stuff, this will keep you warm. It will work. And then obviously it's got the battery option. But you'd want to take an outer layer with you in case it got windy or wet, wouldn't you? So yeah. So that's it from this. How do you find yours? Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
Would you buy one?
I probably would. You know, I'll have to try it out on a colder day.
Yeah, true. I really like this one. I think it looks quite smart as well.
Yeah, it's a nice looking jacket.
Yeah, so that's it from me. Thank you.
Cheers.